part of the tactic natin, ha, isa pa, is ito. Common sense ho ito. You need to have an efficient claims team. Why? Because it's all about documents, it's all about adjudication, validation, and timeliness. Now, this is self-explanatory. I am not going to dwell on this anymore. Yung claims processors ninyo, dapat hindi ho yan part-time. Dapat ho alam nila yung ginagawa nila. Okay? So, dapat ho trained din sila. Okay? So, I hope naintindihan ho ninyo yung tatlo. So, ano ho yung tactic natin? You need to have, okay, the 3 elements. Okay? So, practically discuss it. So, you have your goal, you have your strategy, you have your objective, and you have the tactic. So, now, I'm going to proceed. I will ask this question sa inyo. Ang tanong, do you want to make money legally from PhilHealth? Tanong nyo sa sarili nyo. Tanong nyo po sa boss nyo. Tanong nyo po sa board ninyo. Okay? Let it sink in a little while. If you want to make money, kindly type yes. Okay? Yes, ito. Doc, yes. Doc, si Bumpan, we will make tons of money sa ating masterclass. Okay, yes. Ma'am Leonie, yes. Okay. Okay, thank you po. We have yes. Naturally, ang gusto natin, yes, okay. Thank you, Doc. So, okay. We have yes. Thank you. Now, ito ho, importante. Ito ho yung tip ko sa inyo, ha. Make a screenshot of this. Okay? Sulat nyo sa papel ninyo. Okay? Ito ho yung tip ko sa inyo. If you want to make money kay PhilHealth sa 2024, very simple ang payo ko sa inyo. Okay? My tip is this. Do not follow PhilHealth. Okay? Do not follow PhilHealth. Yan ang tip ko sa inyo. Okay? Relax lang. May explanation yan. Baka kung sino man kayo, nahulog kayo sa upuan, okay, may kwento ko yan. Do not follow PhilHealth. Okay? So, if you want to make money, do not follow PhilHealth. Okay? So, Doc Ben, ano ba yung pinagsasabi mo? The RTH and denied kami. No. This is what I mean. Do not follow PhilHealth. But you need to be one step ahead of PhilHealth. Ulitin ko if you want to make money from PhilHealth, never follow PhilHealth. If you want to make money legally, okay, and then sunod-sunuran lang kayo kay PhilHealth. Kung anong sasabihin nila, anong ilalabas nila, sunod-sunuran lang kayo. Okay? You may probably end up having money, but it will not be that much. Okay? You'll end up with a trial and error scenario. What I teach my masterclass people is that we need to be one step ahead of PhilHealth. If you want to make money legally, you need to be one step ahead. You can only have one step ahead kung alam mo ano yung ginagawa ni PhilHealth. Kung kabisado mo si PhilHealth. So basically what I'm trying to tell you, okay, nakatali na ho kayo kay PhilHealth ng ilang dekada. By this time, you need to understand that you should have someone who's very good at PhilHealth. Hindi ho pwedeng magsunod-sunuran lang kayo. When they say jump, you just simply jump. When they say jump, you ask, how high? Where would you want us to land? Okay? So, ganun ho yun. You need to be one step ahead of PhilHealth. Because, if you are ahead, okay, you basically achieve more if you're one step ahead. Now, the problem in this scenario is that it's not easy it's easier said than done. Ang point ko ho dito, kung gusto ho ninyong kumita ng malaki kay PhilHealth, you need to be one step ahead. If you are a clinician, purely clinician, hindi ho kayo admin. If you are a claims processor, if you are a medical record staff, this is not for you. Ang punto ko dito, the only way for you to be one step ahead of PhilHealth, you need to have hospital leaders whose entire intention is focused on PhilHealth claims. They are seeking for growth, they are seeking for efficiency, and they are seeking for improvement and continuing good performance. If your hospital leaders have this mindset, they will not settle for simply following PhilHealth. Yan ho yung point ko. Ito po leaders, based on my experience, hospital leaders who have experienced multi-million losses, okay, in claims processing, they accept it, yung kanilang failure. But what's critical among these people is the ability to recover. Kasi itong mga taong ito, they have this mindset that they need to grow, they need to be efficient, they need to improve, and they need to make the performance better. Ito sila, they do not cry and roll on the floor and blame people. Ito sila, they seek solution. Why? Ito yung mga leaders ng hospital na meron hong vision. Okay? Kung ang leader ng hospital ninyo ay wala hong vision, okay, magkakaproblema ho kayo. Because ang dami hong magbabago kay PhilHealth. Kung hindi ho visionary ang top management, you will encounter problems in claims. Because the only way to make money is you need to be one step ahead. You need now to your leaders need to forecast what's going to happen in the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter. And you need to be prepared for it. Para hindi yung ma-RTH and denied yung claim nyo. So you need to have that mindset na ito ho. Yung mga nasa masterclass ko, the hospitals who actually succeed in masterclass, isa lang ho ang trait na nakita ko, napansin ko sa kanila. Yung mga magagaling na hospital, yung kumita ho talaga in a short few months, kumita agad kasi na-implement agad nila yung masterclass. Ano ho ang meron sa kanila? Yung leader ho nila, visionary. Yung vision niya, kahit ano pa ho ang hadlang dyan, okay, they find ways, they go beyond the struggle and the challenges. Because they are very, very focused on their targets. Yan ho sila. Okay. Now, here's the dilemma. If you are attending today and you are not part of top management, do not be afraid. Ang point ko ho, you need to influence the decision makers. Kung claims processors kayo, hindi ho kayo ang mag-take ng lead. Yung boss ninyo. You need to elevate it to top management. You need to elevate it to the board. Kasi ho, kapag yung board ninyo, yung president ninyo, yung admin ninyo, wala hong alam sa PhilHealth at wala siyang vision, okay, you cannot be ahead of PhilHealth. You will always stay at the back of PhilHealth, following them wherever they go. Okay? So if you're happy with that, by all means, pwede. But if you want to make money, okay, it will not work. So that is based on my experience. Why? Because of the following. So, ano ba yung meron? You need to have efficient leaders. Why is it that you need to have efficient leaders? If you have visionary people or leaders, it's very easy for them to understand yung role sa UHC. Kung magaling ho yung leader ninyo, alam niya ngayon yung role ninyo sa universal healthcare. So, ang question ko sa inyo, who among you is confident kung ano ho yung role ninyo sa universal healthcare?